Hi all, welcome to this course on PPC. Today we'll be learning about an important topic which is PERT, P-E-R-T, Program Evaluation Review Technique. Or we can also say it as project also. PERT is a project management planning tool used to calculate the amount of time it will take to realistically finish a project. PERT stands for Program Evaluation Review Technique. PERT charts are the tools used to plan tasks within a project, making it easier to schedule and coordinate team members accomplishing the task or the work. So, what are the objectives of PERT? PERT helps the project planners to identify the start and the end dates. It anticipates the total required completion time. All activities referred to as events on the chart that impact the completion time, the required sequence of events, probability of completion by a certain date. For example, a small project which is consisting of 8 activities from A to H, which is having the preceding activity and the optimistic time, most likely time, and the most pessimistic time. And based upon these times and the activities and the preceding time, we'll arrange them in a network diagram as this question. That is, draw the PERT network for the project, prepare the activity schedule, determine the critical path, and if a 30-week deadline is imposed, what will be the probability that the project will be finished within the time limit. And that's when we have first find out the estimated time, and we are finding out the precedence diagram from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And based upon this PERT network, we are finding out how much time it will take using the earliest possible time and the time values which are given. And accordingly, we are getting this as the time estimates as A, M, B, and the estimate time with the earliest time and the latest time to be the following. That is, for A, AMB is 2, 4, 12, earliest time is 5, and sigma square is 25 by 9. Start is 0, finish is 5, start is 0 and finish is 5 for earliest and the latest time respectively. Similarly, for H, we are having the time estimates to be 5, 5, 5, TE is 5, 0, earliest time is 24, 29, latest time is 24, 29. Hence, based upon this, the critical path for the project is given as 1, 2, 4, and 5, 6, and the critical activities are given as A, D, G, and H. The expected project length is the sum of all the duration of each critical activities. Expected project length is 5 plus 15 plus 4 plus 5, which is 29 weeks. Whereas the variance project length is obtained by summing the variance of each critical activity. Hence, the run can be determined by finding the normal curve to the left of the value of x, which is equals to 30. Hence, we find out that the value of that z is, or the probability is given as due date minus expected date by sigma, which is 30 minus 29 by root 6, which is 0.41. Hence, maximum period for which it is, or the probability is 41%. Thank you.